Generate 50 to 100 videos a day using Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 2.5 for free. These two AI video models, they are topping the charts. Seedance 2.5 and Seedance 2.0 are topping the charts when it comes to AI video generators. And in this particular video, I will be sharing with you a platform that allows you to generate up to 50 videos a day. The crazy part of it is you do not need to sign into any multiple account or any multiple Gmail. It is free. What I'm about to show you, you have not heard about it. This method, you have not seen it before. So make sure you watch the full video because it is important so you do not miss any step. Let's get started. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Do not forget to hit the like button. The first step, this is the image we will be using for this generation, okay? This is the image which I've downloaded. Now head to your browser. Okay, head to your browser, you type in $AI. Yes, I know most of you must have heard about $AI, but do you know how to use it to generate up to 100 videos a day? That is what I'm about to show you. Now, when you click on it, you open it up. All right, now right here where you see fast, okay, you click on it and change it to Pro. Make sure you watch step by step. This step is very necessary. If you have not logged in, click on continue with Google and you'll be logged in. Now, this step is very crucial. All right. Make sure you watch the full video. Now, you click on fast, take it to Pro. Okay. Immediately you take it to Pro, you click on skills. All right, right here. Okay, you can see these skills here. Click on it. Now, if you're not seeing it, just scroll down, take it down. You see create videos. You see create videos, click on it. Okay. Now, what I'm about to show you, it is not the usual way we use $AI. All right. Now, you see create videos. Okay. Now, right here, you click on duplicate. Click on right click, you click on duplicate. You see where the arrow is, right click on duplicate. You keep doing that. Click on, if you want up to 100 videos, you don't even need 100 emails, 100 um email address. Okay, now click on plus and upload the image, that particular image we generated on ChatGPT earlier. Now the next thing I'll do is head over to my ChatGPT for the video prompt. Now this particular um single image, I have a video prompt for it, about 5 video prompts. So I've pasted the first video prompt with a dialogue and it has started generating. I entered here Pro, then click on skills and choose create videos. All right, click on plus and upload the image, that same image. All right, now it mustn't be that the same image, and the next image you want to animate, the next image you want to make it talk and dialogue, that is the image you click on. But because that particular image, I have multiple dialogues for it, that is why I'm generating it multiple times. All right, so I'll paste in the second video prompt which I've copied and sent. All right. Now I will click on the next. I will click on the next page. Okay. Click on the next page. The same process. Click on fast. All right. Click on pro. Click on skills and click on create videos. Then we click on plus to upload the image. Any image you want to animate, click on it. Now, remember I said I have 5 video prompts, multiple dialogue, like that one scene is a very long scene, okay? So I'll come back to ChatGPT, copy my video prompt and head back here, all right, and paste the video prompt. I will be pasting the video prompt. Now, this is the process. You can open as much as $10 page up to 20, 30, and you keep generating your videos. All right, now it is generating. Let's head back to the first one. Now, this is the first one we clicked. You can see they are requiring me to type in yes or confirm. They've analyzed my video prompt and they have telling me to confirm if this is what I want them to generate. What you just need to do is type in confirm and it will start generating your video. All right, you have to give it time. Right now, it is generating the video already. The same thing with the next. Now, it is very important you go through them. Each one page you open, you must type in confirm so that it will continue the generation. You must type in confirm or yes. Whichever the one they want you to do, you must be available to do that. All right. Now you can see here, please confirm. I've typed in yes and it starts. Okay, so that is it. Now, right here, let's continue. I will click on Pro again, click on Skills and scroll down, locate Generate Videos. I'll click on plus and input the image. As much as 10 page, up to, mind you, is one email. I did not log in using another email. All this I'm doing is under one email. I'll copy the next video prompt, head back to $AI and paste my video prompt. One email, one email. All right, that is what I'm using in all this one email. Now, the disadvantage of this is you cannot do this on your phone. Okay, this is done on laptop, all right? This is only achievable on laptop. On phone, you cannot generate multiple, but you can generate few, but you cannot generate multiple. Now, the same process, you can see I've left others and I'm still generating. So if I have 10 scenes to 100 scenes to generate a day. What I need to do is just keep opening it, opening the pages and go through the same process I'm going now. Now, this is the next video prompt that I've gone to ChatGPT to copy and I've copied it. Head back to $AI to paste it for generation. All right, I've pasted it, I'll send it and it starts generating. Okay, so we have to click on the first one. The first one, the video is almost ready. It is almost ready. Now let me check the second one to see if it is ready. It is ready. Now you can see video prompt is ready. So I'll just scroll down and see the video. This is the video. All right. It has generated my video. I'll just go ahead and download it. Click here and you download. All right. This is it. And these are what you do. The next one is not yet ready. Okay, we just have to give it time. Okay, it is still generating. Let's take this down. Yeah, it is still generating. Let's go here. Confirm we upload. So the first one is ready. So we just have to be going through them. Anyone that requires confirm, you confirm. Anyone that the video has been generated, you just go ahead and download it. Now, mind you, you can open up to 50 page. You can open up to 100 page a day using one email. You're not logging out or logging in using another email, using the same email. All right. Now, let's check this one if it is ready. It is ready. Here it is. All right. Remember, it's the same sim. Okay. I told you that particular sim is multiple characters and multiple dialogue. So that is why I'm generating using one sim. But I will be playing it at the end. Now it has generated. I'll just go ahead and download the video it generates for me. Okay. Go ahead and download the video it generates right here. Click on it and download. Now this one too, make sure I download it. Clicking on the arrow and it is downloaded. All right, then you see the video is ready. Now I will be playing what I generated. So you get to see it is one scene but multiple different dialogue. Okay, it mustn't be one scene. So you can have multiple scenes and you keep generating them. All right, now this one is not ready because I just typed in confirmed. This one too is almost ready. So it will keep generating. All right, each time you click on the tab, all right, and click on, and the next is scale, click on generate video. All right, click on generate video, you click on plus, add, upload the image, send, head back to ChatGPT, get our video prompt and paste it. All right, now let me get it. I think this should be the 5th video prompt. All right, scroll down, copied it, head back here and paste it, send, and it start generating your video with video prompt. All right, so this is it. All right, so while it is generating, I've head back to check others that I just typed in confirm to see if it is ready. To see if it is ready. Let's go right here. Plus, click on plus. Now, this is another email, okay? Even if you want to log in using another email, you can log in if you choose to. All right, it's still the same process. Okay, you click on Fast, Pro, and Scale, select Create Videos, and you start creating your video. For more tabs, just the same process. This is the image you upload and paste your video prompt. All right, and it starts generating. Okay, click on the right, click on the tab and duplicate, and you start. Once you click on do duplicate, you keep going this way, and all this in a day you generate up to 100 videos, 50 videos a day for free. Now I've gone back to the main email we are working with, and which is the video is ready. One of the new video is ready. This equally, the video is ready here too. So I'll just keep clicking on each tab, all right, and download my video once it's ready. Okay, I click on each tab and download my video. Like I said in the beginning, you can generate up to 50 videos a day, 100 videos using this method. What you need to do is it has to be done on your laptop, because on the tab, you need to be clicking and duplicating it. All right. Now, this particular one is almost there. Almost ready. Right here, this one is ready. This one is not. So whichever one is ready, just go ahead and download it. Whichever one is ready, you go ahead and download it. Now, using this method, you can access Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0 unlimited. You already know that $AI uses Seedance as their video model to generate their videos. All right. So using this more method, you can generate as much as without you spending a dime or breaking the bank. Okay, so I'm trying to check to see if the video is ready. So it is done. Just go ahead and download it. Now, this is the method you access Seedance 2.0 unlimited, up to 50, 100 videos a day. Do not forget to hit the like button. Let's go.